Are you struggling to get the Add to Home Screen banner to show up for your progressive web app? You're not alone. Many developers face this issue, and today we're going to uncover the reasons why it might not be appearing. It's incredibly frustrating when you've followed all the steps, and yet something still doesn't work as expected. If you've created a PWA and the banner just won't show, trust me, I understand your pain. Let's dive into this together. Here's the situation. One user followed Google's PWA tutorial and created their project. They have a manifest file, are using HTTPS, and everything seems fine. But despite all this, the Add to Home Screen banner never appears. Sound familiar? Let's find out what's going wrong. So what could be the issue? There are several factors that can prevent the banner from showing up, even if everything looks correct. Let's break down the common culprits and how to troubleshoot them. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a crucial tip that can help ensure your PWA works flawlessly. To resolve the issue with the Add to Home Screen banner not appearing, the user should first check the service worker configuration. It's essential that the service worker is correctly set up to cache all necessary files. Next, the user should create an offline.html file if it doesn't already exist. This file is crucial for the service worker to function properly when offline. After creating the offline.html file, the user should clear the browser cache on their mobile device. This step ensures that the updated service worker and files are loaded correctly. Finally, the user can test the application again. They should refresh the page and check if the Add to Home Screen banner appears as expected. Fun fact, did you know that the first progressive web apps were just a dream? Now they are a reality, making web experiences as smooth as native apps. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user pointed out that the issue might be due to the offline.html file returning a 404 error. They suggest checking the link to your offline.html file to ensure it exists. Here's the tip I promised. Always ensure your service worker is correctly set up and that all files it references are available. This simple check can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to get that Add to Home Screen banner showing up in no time. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on web development.